We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning students, I am Shilpa Sirasya. In this video, we learn how to convert a Moore machine to milling machine. So conversion from Moore machine to milling machine. It is very easy. So suppose this is a transition table for the Moore machine. So there are 3 states A, B and C. If the input is 0, we have a get next state is this one B, B, B. If input is 1, the next state is ACA and the output of the state ABC is B, B and A. Now, how to convert this Moore machine to milling machine? So, basic structure of transition table of the milling machine is, so again, the number of state is same as the Moore machine. Okay, we give the input equal to 0, next state, and at that state, what is the output? Same way, if input is 1, so what is the next state? And that case, what is the output? Okay, so first, the next state of the input in the Moore machine is the same as the, in the milling machine, it is same as the Moore machine. So for the A, if input is 0, the next state is B. Same way for the B and C. As well as if input is 1, so the next state is of A is A, B is C and C is A. Okay. Now the next is the output. It is very easy. Just see. Here we see that output of the state A is B. The output of the state A is B. So where we get the next state A, we have a output B. So at here and here. So output is B. Okay. Next, for the B, state B, the output is B. So in this case, where the next state is B, the output is B. And the for state C, at the state C, the output is A. So we find that in the next state, where is the C? Here. So the output is A. As it is A, so it is A. Okay. So simply we just give the input is whatever the output at the state A is B. So here you find in the next state where is A? This one and this one. So we get the output this B. Okay. Same way for the B, the output is B. We got the B in the next state. Here it is a B. So the output at this one is B. Same way for this C, state C, the output is A. So we find the, where is the next state? That C in the next state. So the output is A. So this is a transition table of milling machine. And based on this transition table, you can construct the diagram. Like suppose we just try. So it's A. Okay. If we give the input 0, then output will be next state is B. So 0, next state is B. And what is the output? It's B. Okay. Now for the state A, if input is A, input is 1, then next state is A. If it is 1, next state is A and the output is B. As we know that Mealy machine depends on the input as well as current state. So we are writing the output with the input and state. For the B, if it is 0, then B, and output is B. For the B, if it is input is 1, then output is C, and next state is C and output is A. For the C, if input is 0, the next state is B and output is B. Same way, for the state C, if input is 1, the next state is A and the output is B. So this one is a transition table of the Mealy machine, as well as this one is a diagram of the Mealy machine. Thank you.